Lima, Uniform Tree, Sierra, expect ILS approach, runway 04. Transition, Golf Victor Alpha, slowing down to 250, easy 1734.
Support 405, December flight level 100. December 405, December 100. Okay, keeping the speed 240 actually. Welcome. Support 3, turn left over the 250. Heading to 45, Switcher 3057, right heading 275. Turning right heading 275, Switcher 3057. Confirm the heading for this 405, 267. 261, shall work, 405, descent level 70. Descent level 70, heading 267, system 401.
Easy 1734, descent of 6,500, QNH 1020.
Descending to 6,500, QNH 1020, easy 1734.
Descent of 516, alarm, reduce it to 10, fly heading 180, vector ILS 140.
516, reduce to 10, heading 180, vector 14.
Molly 568, your left heading 260.
0, right.
Switcher 405, turn right to heading 260. Right, heading 260. Switcher 3569, 20 track miles, contact final 125.32.
25, pretty great.
Final 125, double 32.
Final 125, 125 to 3007.
Papa.
Easy 1734. Cleared ILS approach runway 04. Transition Golf Victor Alpha.
ILS approach, runway 04. Transition, Golf Victor Alpha, easy 1734.
Easy 1734. Heading correction to 025 to Papa Alpha Sierra. And then as filed.
Head in 025 for the Papa Alpha Sierra. Continue on navigation, easy 1734.
Papa 3007, speed 2309.
2309, 3007.
Easy 1953. Maintain present altitude.
Present altitude, easy, 1953.
Easy 8480. Maintain present altitude.
Present altitude, easy 8480.
Swiss 1823. Maintain present altitude. Present altitude. Swiss 1823. Easy 1734. Turn left. Heading 225.
Left turn to heading 225, easy 1734.
Easy 1953. Climb to flight level 80.
Climbing to flight level 80, easy, 1953.
Easy 8480. Maintain present altitude.
Present altitude, easy 8480.
Easy 1734. Establish and maintain heading of 220.
Head in 220, easy 1734.
Swiss 1823. Maintain present altitude. Present altitude. Swiss 1823.
Swiss 3007, turn left heading 260.
Left heading 260, 3007.
Easy 1734. Establish and maintain heading of 220.
Head in 220, easy 1734.
Easy 8480. Descent to 5000.
Descending to 5000, easy 8480.
Easy 1734. Turn to heading 210.
Head in 210, easy 1734.
Swiss 1823, climb to flight level 80, climbing to flight level 80, Swiss 1823. Easy 1734, establish and maintain heading of 205.
Heading 205, easy 1734.
Swiss 529er, maintain present altitude.
Present altitude, Swiss 529er.
Easy 8480, maintain present altitude.
Present altitude, easy 8480.
Is 3035, 35 miles from Topstar, descent to 5,000 feet, connect 1024.
5,000, 1024, 3035.
Ethiopian 727, maintain present altitude.
Present altitude, Ethiopian 727.
Easy 1734, turn to heading 210.
Heading 210, easy 1734.
Gris, this is 343 Airbus 330 with Kim, well 135 for 130.
343 Araro, flight control, bringing vectoring ILS 14.
Can also for West on course, this is 343.
Easy 1734, establish and maintain heading of 215.
Heading 215, easy 1734.
Swiss 529er, descent to 4,000.
72, 4,000, Swiss 529er.
Easy 1734, turn to heading 220.
Heading 220, easy 1734.
Easy 1734, turn to heading 230.
Heading 230, easy 1734.
LS 568, descent to 4,000 feet, speed 180 knots.
Easy 1734, establish and maintain heading of 250.
Heading 250, easy 1734.
Delta 3035, reduce speed to 220 knots.
Reducing 220 knots to 3035.
Triple 3007, report your heading.
272 pointing, stop visible sir.
3007, turn right heading 280.
Right heading 280, stop visible.
Easy 1734, turn to heading 350.
Heading 350, easy 1734.
Easy 1734, turn to heading 020.
Heading 020, easy 1734.
Triple 3 has 32 miles to touchdown.
Okay.
Triple 3, December 5000, 1018.
108 back. Triple 3.
Delta 5000 feet, triple to touchdown 20 miles, contact final 125.32. Triple 3, descend 5000 feet, 1018, 20 miles touchdown, contact final 125.32.
12532, this is triple 3.
Easy 1734, turn left, heading 360.
Left turn to heading 360, easy 1734.
Easy 1734, clear to intercept. Tower frequency is 119.905.
Final approach speed, tower 119.905, easy 1734.
Swiss 2816, maintain present altitude.
Present altitude, Swiss 2816.
Swiss 2391, maintain present altitude. Swiss 447, maintain present altitude.
Present altitude, Swiss 447.
1242, maintain present altitude.
Present altitude 1242.
Tower, easy 1734, on final, runway 04.
Easy 1734. Slow to final approach speed, QNH 1020. Clear to land runway 04.
Final approach speed, QNH 1020, clear to land runway 04, easy 1734.
Sierra Bravo Kilo 2631, good afternoon, call you back.
$2,500.
So it's 445, hold short, runway 28.
445, hold short, yes.
Tower, Swiss 2816, on final, requesting landing, runway 04. Swiss 2816, clear to land runway 04, QNH 1020. Clear to land runway 04, QNH 1020, Swiss 2816.
Tower, Swiss 447, on final, request landing, runway 04.
Swiss 447, clear to land runway 04, QNH 1020.
Cleared to land runway 04, QNH 1020, Swiss 447.
Tower, call you back.
$1,000.
23459, roger, wind 300 degrees, 6 knots, clear to land, runway 14.
That's it, clear to land, down 3459.
$500. 400.
Zulu uniform, Northern Main, disconnect.
Zulu uniform, you may leave, goodbye.
300.
Route 1 is blocked, please proceed route 2.
That's the Zulu uniform.
Tower 1,
200.
2, on final, request landing, runway 04.
1242, clear to land runway 04, QNH 1020.
Clear to land on runway 04, QNH 1020, 1242.
50, 40, 30, 20, retard. 5.
Easy 1734. It is rate contact ground on 121.855.
121.855, easy 1734.
Manual brake.
Ground, easy 1734. Is cleared off the runway. Request taxi for parking.
Easy 1734. Taxi via Delta Charlie Alpha to Terminal 1 gate.
Via Delta Charlie Alpha to Terminal 1 gate, easy 1734.
That will be your only indication that it's safe to get up and move about the cabin. We also ask that you keep the eyes clear of any carry-on baggage. This is the termination of our flight this morning, so we ask that you check your desk pockets, closets, and overhead bins for any articles you may have brought with you. Extra care should be taken when opening the overhead business. Heavy articles may have shifted during our flight. On behalf of your entire flight crew, and our advisory serving you this morning, have a pleasant day.
Six out of black, to get the down, that taxi by the inner and line to stand down 02. 918, hold that position at 41. Finnair 864 extract, hold position, contact now ground 121.9. Hold position 121.9, 864 extract, bye. On Air 118, pushback is approved. Pushback is approved, thank you, Honor 118. Visual 946 go, first verify turrets with an start up and pushback is approved. Good, now we start a push approved, Visual 946 go. Pushback is now approved. Shut up the club. Anything from 0. Hey,